Welcome to Beautyistic. Today I'm diving into a product that's perfect for those who love versatility in their makeup routine. The NYX Professional Makeup Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. This product is designed to be a creamy eyeshadow, eyeliner, and highlighter, all rolled into one, offering a great deal of flexibility with just one stick. Let's see how it performs in real life. The NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk is a multi-use product that promises a smooth application and intense color payoff. It glides on effortlessly without any pulling or tugging, making it ideal for both beginners and makeup pros. Its creamy texture is blendable, so whether you're using it as an eyeshadow base, highlighting the inner corners of your eyes, or lining your waterline, it should do it all with ease. The shade Milk is a bright white, perfect for brightening and highlighting any eye makeup look. Now let's talk about how this pencil performs in real-world testing. I've used it on its own as well as in combination with other products to really see how it holds up in different scenarios. As a creamy eyeshadow, it applies smoothly and blends out easily without any patchiness. I did notice that while it stays put throughout the day, it does have a tendency to fade a little in the crease area, so I'd recommend setting it with a powder eyeshadow if you want to make sure it lasts longer. When used as an eyeliner, the Jumbo Eye Pencil glides on the waterline smoothly and provides intense, long-lasting color. It doesn't smudge or fade within a few hours, which is a huge plus. However, as a highlighter on the brow bone or inner corners, the finish can be a bit too stark if you're going for a more subtle look, but if you're aiming for a bold pop of brightness, it delivers perfectly. In terms of pros, I'd say the smooth application, versatility, and cruelty-free formula are the standout features. The pencil is super easy to use and can replace multiple products in your makeup bag. Plus, the price point is pretty reasonable for the amount of product you get. On the flip side, there are a few cons worth mentioning. While the product works well on most people, it may not be the best choice for those with oily eyelids, as it can slip and slide a little without being set. Also, depending on how you like your highlight, you may find the Milk shade to be a little too intense for everyday use. So does it offer good value for money? For the versatility, smooth application, and cruelty-free aspect, it's definitely a product that's worth the price. It's ideal for anyone looking to streamline their makeup routine or anyone who loves a pop of bright color. If you're someone who enjoys experimenting with different eye looks, this pencil can be a fantastic addition to your collection. When compared to similar products on the market, NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil stands out with its creamy texture, intense color payoff, and affordability. Other brands might offer similar products, but you'd often pay a premium for those. NYX delivers a comparable performance at a fraction of the price. As far as build quality goes, the pencil itself feels sturdy and doesn't break easily, which is great. It's also easy to sharpen, and the creamy formula ensures that the product applies smoothly without tugging. In terms of longevity, I've found that the product holds up for several hours without major fading, although you may need a touch-up if you're wearing it all day, especially on oily lids. Is this the right product for you? If you're someone who loves versatile, multi-use products that are easy to apply and affordable, then absolutely. If you're on the hunt for a white pencil to brighten up your eyes, this could be your new go-to. However, if you prefer a more subtle highlight or need something that's totally crease-proof without setting it, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.